So let us see how to construct. Now here practice set 8.1. Third one and fourth one I will be showing you how to draw it. Accordingly you can see the video and you can draw it in your notebook. Okay, it was same as we did in the online session, first and second one. Same way we are going to do the third and fourth one. Now just go through the question. Third question, what is given in quadrilateral ABCD? Length AB is given as 6.4 centimeter, BC is 4.8 centimeter, and here angle is given. So first sum when you did, so first we saw there two angles were given. The first question you can see measure angle M is 58, measure angle O is 105. I hope you all remember how did we do that. Same way we are going to do here. So angle A is given 70, angle B is given as 50 degree, and angle C is 140. So let's construct. So before constructing, what did I tell you all? To draw the rough figure. So draw the rough figure there. Okay, so we'll just randomly draw a rough figure. Now we'll name it as A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now, which measurement are given here? AB is given as 6.4. Then BC is given as 4.8. Then measure angle A is given. So this angle is given as 70 degree, and measure angle B is given as 50 degree, and C is given as 140 degree. Okay, so let's start constructing this. So here how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements out of 10 if it is there, we can construct a quadrilateral. So take your scale, keep it properly straight, and mark 6.4 because AB is 6.4. So we'll mark 6.4 here. Okay, then we'll name it as AB. Okay, now angle A is given as 70 degrees. So take your protractor, keep it at point A, and I always tell you all the 0 degree which is there, it should exactly coincide, it should exactly lie on this segment AB. Okay, and then from your mark 70 degree. We have marked here 70 degree. Now take your scale and join it. Okay, now here mark it 70 degree. Then what is given? Angle B. So angle B you have to take here. Keep the protractor properly. It should lie on this 0 degree. AB segment AB should lie exactly on the 0 degree. Now what is the measurement given? 50. From here we will see where is 50 over here. So mark 50 there and then join it. Keep it here. Okay, so we have joined here. Mark this as 50 degree. Then which measurement is given there? 4.8. Now we need 4.8 from point B here to C. We don't know where is C. So at 4.8 centimeter we'll get point C. So we'll just mark point C. Take your compass, keep it at 0, and then we'll mark 4.8. Okay. You have to keep it at point B and then mark an arc on this. Okay. So where this intersect, this will be point C over here. Okay. Now from this we have to take 140 degree. Take your protractor, keep it at this point where it is intersecting the arc and the segment, and this protractor turn little bit so that that 0 degree lies on this CB. Okay. So now it is proper. Now we have to mark 140 degree. Okay. So where is 140 degree? Over here. And then we will take the scale and join that dot with C. Okay. So this is done. Now this point where it is intersecting at this point, this will be D. Okay. And this angle which we got, this is 140 degree. Okay. Write your measurement 6.4 centimeter. Unit of measurement should also be written. 6.4 centimeter, 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so we got the quadrilateral ABCD, this one. Okay, so I'm just showing you all by marking it red. So this is the quadrilateral which we got ABCD. Okay, so like this you have to do it in your notebook. Okay, now we'll solve the next one. Now the fourth question from your practice at 8.1. What is given there? Construct quadrilateral LMNO such that LM is equal to LO, that is 6 centimeter, ON is equal to NM, that is 4 centimeter, and length OM is given as 7.5 centimeter. So let's draw a rough figure. So here there is no angle, just the side measurement is given. Okay, so we'll name it as L, M, N, O. Okay. Now, which measurement is given here? LM is equal to LO. So, these two sides are having same measurement. So, LM is 6 here, LO is 6. Then, ON and NM. ON is 4.5 and NM is also 4.5. Then, what is given? OM. Where is OM? Okay, so OM is here, so that will be the diagonal. So diagonal measurement is how much? 7.5. Okay, let's construct now. So here we just need a scale and the compass. Okay, take your ruler, keep it properly straight. First LM we will draw 6 centimeter. Okay, so from 0 to 6 centimeter over here, and then same measurement with the help of compass we are going to do it. Okay, so here keep it at this point, and it is also 6 centimeters, so we'll just mark here how much measurement is there. This is 6 centimeter, so keep the compass here, take that measurement and draw an arc over here. Okay, so we got the arc there. So now write here L M. Okay, now what are we supposed to do in the second sum? I've already told you all. First we'll draw a triangle because diagonal is given. So this will look like this, isn't it? So L, M and O. So now this arc we got 6 here. Now we'll draw this which is 7.5. Okay, so take 7.5. Place it properly and take it 7.5 there. Keep it at point M, and then you're going to intersect with the previous arc which we have drawn. Okay, so now we got the point of intersection here. Now we'll join this to M and the point of intersection, that is nothing but point O. And then we will join it here. Okay, so we got this point as, okay, so this point of intersection here we get it as O, point O. Now what is given? MN is given 4.5, isn't it? So take 4.5, we got here 4.5. Okay, keep it at point M, and we'll draw an arc over here. Okay, and from O to N it is 4.5 measurement is given, so we have to keep the same distance. Don't change your compass, the measurement is 4.5 only, so we'll keep it at point O. Okay, keep it at point O, and we are going to draw arc so that it intersect here. Now we got the point of intersection. This will be the point N here. Okay, now we are going to join this. Take your scale and first join with NM and then ON. Here, okay, and then turn it and join this side. Okay, so this is the quadrilateral which we got. Write down the measurement, everyone. So it will be 7.5 centimeter of this diagonal. Okay, 7.5 centimeter. Okay, and here LM is 6 centimeter. Then here it is 4.5 centimeter. Here it is 6 centimeter. Here it is 4.5 centimeter. Students, can you name this quadrilateral? Which quadrilateral it is? Is it a square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram, kite, or trapezium? Just observe the measurement which is given here and what can you find out? So we have already discussed the types of quadrilateral. So in that, which type of quadrilateral is it? So here you can see 4.5 centimeter, here 4.5. Okay, side by side is same measurement. Here you can see 6, here you can see 6, isn't it? So this will be having same measurement. So this is nothing but which quadrilateral it is? It is a kite. Okay. So that's all is the construction which you have to do. So do solve it in your notebook, draw neat diagram, okay, and rough work is very important. Unless and until you do the rough work, you will not be able to do the fair one.